Did you know that ketchup used to be sold in pharmacies as a medicine for digestive disorders, rather than a sauce for food seasoning? This was because the original recipe for ketchup contained vinegar and tomato paste, both of which are known for their health benefits. Hello, I'm Proxima, and in this video, we will explore how ketchup is made. Before we begin our journey, I want to remind you that every comment will be featured in the next video. Now get ready, we're starting. Ketchup is one of the most popular sauces in the world, used as a condiment for many dishes such as burgers, hot sandwiches, and many others. The process of making ketchup starts with preparing the ingredients. The main ingredient of ketchup is tomato paste, which is made from fresh tomatoes. Tomatoes are carefully selected and go through several stages of processing to remove the skin and seeds. Then the tomatoes are finely chopped and ground into a paste. Other ingredients needed to make ketchup include vinegar, salt, spices, and sugar. Each ketchup manufacturer has its unique recipe, which determines the ratio of each ingredient and which spices and additives to use. The next step in ketchup production is to mix all the ingredients together. In a large container, tomato paste, vinegar, salt, and spices are mixed. Sugar is then added to the mixture to give ketchup a slightly sweet taste. Once all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed, the mixture undergoes pasteurization. This process involves heating the mixture to a high temperature, usually around 85 to 90 degrees Celsius, for several minutes. The goal of pasteurization is to kill any bacteria and microorganisms that may be present in the product and ensure consumer safety. After pasteurization, the finished ketchup is packaged in sterile bottles or other packaging materials. Packaged ketchup is stored in warehouses for storage and distribution. Various methods are used in ketchup production to ensure maximum purity and product safety. For example, manufacturers may use high-pressure processing, which uses high pressure to kill all bacteria and microorganisms in the product. Another method is the use of preservatives, which help extend the product's shelf life and protect it from various types of bacteria and microorganisms. Additionally, ketchup manufacturers are required to monitor the levels of salt and sugar in their products. According to regulations, manufacturers must adhere to certain standards to avoid exceeding the established limits for these ingredients in ketchup. Various technologies are also used in ketchup production to enhance the taste and texture of the product. For example, some manufacturers add spices to the ketchup to give it a richer and more complex flavor. Others use different processing technologies to create a smoother and more homogeneous texture. Overall, ketchup production is a complex and multi-component process that requires strict adherence to all standards and procedures to ensure the safety, quality, and taste of the product. Ketchup manufacturers use various methods and technologies to produce a product that meets the needs and expectations of consumers. Leave a comment with your favorite sauce, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. Don't be bored, we'll see you soon.